Hey guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day and I'm washing all the stuff that I'll be using rather to decorate the living area or just to decorate overall. So yeah, hopefully them dry because the sun in and out. It's sunny now, but if you don't notice a dark cloud right there. Anyways, I hope and pray for the best. If them dry today, then we'll start the whole decorating process today. When I'm done, we'll get into Vlogmas the right way. Yeah, I think I should be worried. Woo. And then me never want to put them in the machine, especially this and these. Anyways, I go keep our fingers crossed. Them will dry. I think I like this little life. Wow. Get away, fly. Alright, so I need your help. Is it too short? Me know bathroom window curtain not for too long, but I just feel as if it a little bit too short. Comment in the comment section and let me know. I'm gonna steam them out, but after I put up all of the curtain them. Anyways, I put up the one in the kitchen, so make a look on that. Well, I tried. At the beginning of the video, I know I could have said I did have very high hopes for the vlog, but it not work out. So welcome back to another video of me sitting down in front of now and I yap. Because what else to do? Guys, I had the day under control. I started off the vlog so early. Me start and me wash the things them. But tonight though, we're gonna get into it. I did a Timu haul for you guys. Think I'm not gonna get it but tomorrow or the day after because I have to send it in for approve. I never did get a chance for showing the stuff that I'm gonna use because I had to do the unboxing video for it. So that's how the haul one I gonna get. But yeah, I have the video, the curtain them here, so I'm gonna steam them out and you guys will see all the goodies that I got. And I'm gonna tell you something, like they are really cute, like on my phone. I'm gonna get that vlog here about 8 o'clock. I feel so bad already. I can't even find my phone for telling no time. Hey Siri! Hey Siri! Yeah, my phone probably left in the car. I can't see it, babe. Anyways. Eh? Alright then, me soon look on him. So going back to what I did I say, mommy came over to them. I never know, so she did come over. She did there for good look a while, and then rain start fall, so we have to end up carry her home. And the day just get thrown off. All of the stuff that mommy did have planned, like me not get for do none of those. I wanted to put on the cushion cover and just start the whole decorating process because remember me telling us that me I work with a time. Me not want one certain time pass. Me not done decorate the house. The best part is the house is clean. Went ahead and washed my hair. Mommy did for cane it. It still not end up cane row. Me have one video for film. My ear off a cane row. So me go blow dry it tonight because rain a fall. The place cold and me not want to go to my bed with my hair wet. So even though you see it like this now, it wet like inside wet. Like me can feel it if me squeeze it. I collect the package here. I don't want to open it because I'm not sure if anything in there are mine. Somebody did ask me for it, yeah, and I'm mine. Somebody did ask me for order something for them, so it reached. So let's just get it out of the way. I order some stuff, so I go show them. So let me show you guys. You see me there, so I go now. Haul And the video now half ready to go. What time when I gonna get the video? Then on the sister, I did I look for my phone and I say, hey Siri, and on my phone I have a record. Listen, after Vlogmas, me need to go treat myself. Like, me really need a day to do something. Like, to do nothing, a matter of fact. You know that?
In peace.
No.
In peace.
No.
You may I say to you?
I normally something there, bite off the front, because we don't want the back with the sugar. You know, the sugar like, got the base when you put it for sure. We look but we listen but we don't, Georgia. Normally when you beg me things, me just lick off you and then give.
Hey, but you're my wife, it don't really matter.
I like me. So I just say you can up my in front of my camera, so? I don't do that man here.
Alright, we want me to see it.
If you think me and cut him out, hey. Anyways, let me show them something in my order. May I give the person the packager so them can have peace of mind because them did a wait on it for so long. Anyways, this skirt with the side, I'm not gonna drop the side of mine because you know I'm a child of God and I want to dress as modest as possible. But I already tried it on. Like, I want me to try them on. They look really good. So this, you know, like if you dry it up, it gives you that little look there to the side. But I don't want mine to be short, so I'm going to loosen out everything and just wear it like that. But it's still nice. I love it. Jason did I rate them for me last night. Didn't seem like them. Let me have some t-shirts. Have not even to get into them. And already of me yapping because the day just end up spoiled. But by how the vlog started out, I don't know, say I was onto something good. A t-shirt. I love this. I love the, what you call this? It engraved in it. This. I don't know, I love t-shirts. So they already just some random t-shirt. And also this one because just have a t-shirt like this. And I want to match with him.
Oh yeah, try to copy my style.
I want to match with him, so I take one. The back look like this. For some reason, I love it, but I wish this did the other front. It would have looked so cool if that did the other front. Babe, take piece of drops. Right there.
Okay, never ask.
You never see no one on.
I see it all the time.
Give me some water. I love you.
No. Yo, what back your jobs? What back your jobs?
I do.
No, what back your jobs?
Please, babe.
No, babe.
I have some. I don't want. I don't want.
Bribe me.
Bribe you.
Babe, I'm good. I don't need any.
Babe, I don't need any water. Alright, babe. Can I get a drink of water, please?
Yeah, but there's no seminar. Don't bribe me.
Alright,
don't bribe me.
Water.
Don't
But that's what I
bribe
did.
me.
It drops. I'm going to feed. What me cup there? Put it in my arm. Give me. This is a two-piece. I love this so much. I love the green. I never know so I saw the material I go look, but in a bad thanks. I don't love water in a plastic cover again. And I'm for my regard. Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, but the people want the drops already. Maybe you are a child of God. Maybe I eat drops. Jesse, you are a child of God. Are you eating drops? Baby, you are a child of God.
I eat crumbs.
Crumbs from what?
You drop right yourself.
Enough to tell lie.
I
Yeah,
just
eat
drops.
drops.
What is drop? I mean, it's coconut.
Guys, so this is a two-piece. Come on, come out of my ears.
Thank God.
With the yapping and clapping. Yeah, so I love this. I love the two, the side. It's a pants set. So the pants here. As I said, I try them on. So some of the things I want to take up, I go be on the right side or wrong side. But this looks so good on me. And I have one bag. When I remember the bag that when we used to do the promotion, when we did promote the Louis Vuitton bag with the olive green strap. So me plan, so I wear that. I go wear brown and this. Yeah, I think that would look really good. This as well. Me have to try on this one to see the beauty, but it's really pretty on me. These are my style of clothes. This is for church. So I'm gonna wear it with a pink, with a white underneath it. So when you tie it at the front. So some people just wear for them like that with them bra show. But as I said, when I know some modesty. Yeah. Well, I know more just modest as possible. So you tie it like this at the front. I have this as well. So I know I have the brown in this. The pants I forgot to take in. So I'm gonna take in the pants, but the top is okay. But it's very cute. I love this in the middle. You just give it a classy look. And then the top pin under. That look good for me too. This, love this. These are the length, really nice. And then the sleeve, and then right here. Yeah, so they make me fall in love with it. She tight. Yeah, really cute. My other one brown bag with gold to wear with this. I may go wear. I don't know, I may go wear it on my foot yet. But these are my favorite. Also everything. Anyways, on the now go see the beauty. Now go see the beauty, but it looks really nice on me. So it's a jeans dress with zip at the back. And then you tie it. But you see the tie where you tie the waist, that make the dress look super good. So the hand look like this, and then when you tie it, it just snatch your waist, and that look good. I always love that little sewing style here, like a little V. You guys would have to see it on me. And then a jeans pants. I should have buy this because I have one similar to it, but I like it. The thing is, I probably need to start take different color jeans. I always just select light wash. You see how this look big? It fit me real good. I'm having telling you the truth. It fit me real good. You know, so the pants here enough to wear tight, but the waist fits good. I have one similar to this, but it have like a little rip right here, so I don't want no more jeans with rip, but the rip that could have work because it not show my skin, it just barely rip, like it's ripped, but it not rip harshly. But that's that, guys. I may have some more something around the room, but may I just leave it at that so I can put that vlog here on the timeline. Anyways, have a wonderful night. Bye bye.